Today, I'm reviewing Brilliant Earth, my go-to jeweler for gifts for my wife. I started buying from them because of their ethics and sustainability focus, but she's become obsessed with the designs and craftsmanship, and that's really what's kept me coming back. It all starts with the experience. Their sustainable packaging is just the beginning of the luxury journey. The attention to detail in every layer of the presentation is truly impressive. Check out the mini medallion necklace in 14-karat gold with a lab diamond in the star motif. It also comes in other variations including your zodiac sign, and it is great to layer with other necklaces. Next is their popular Paperclip Necklace, a sparkling essential for any look. It's crafted with the same commitment to quality and ethical sourcing that Brilliant Earth is known for. And here's the Demi Herringbone Necklace, 18 inches. You can dress it up or wear it casual. It's incredibly versatile. Would I buy again? Already have, multiple times. For anything that matters, Brilliant Earth is my go-to. Links in the description. Drop your questions below, and I'll see you in the next one.